Yo, boom. The thing goes.
What's up, you crazy people? This is Ron Sandra. Hope you guys are doing absolutely insane and great. Welcome to the channel Overpower Rider.
So guys, this is the freaking beast, the 300cc killer and a 400cc segment competitor, a very tough competitor, the mind-blowing Yamaha YZF R3. Now you guys enjoy the cinematics. So this Yamaha YZF R3 is a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine which produces 42 bhp of power and 29.6 Nm of torque. This is the old model as it has been discontinued in India, but in the global market, R3 has been launched in a total new look in a fresher variant of it. So fingers crossed, hope so it launches in India very soon. Talking about of its riding posture, it is a bit aggressive, same as its sporty nature. Talking about of its mileage and fuel capacity, it has a fuel capacity of 14 liters and gives a mileage of about 18 to 22 kilometers per liter. It is very smooth, crazy and very sporty. As it is a parallel twin engine, its top ends are more crispier. So this is the gear position indicator. This is the engine temperature indicator, this is the fuel gauge, this is the odometer, the trip meter, the tachometer with 13,000 rpm, this is the engine warning light with the ABS indicator. This shows whether the bike is in neutral or not. This is the side stand indicator and the high beams and indicators. So that's all about it. Now let's start to enjoy with this mind-boggling beast. After this, we tested the first gear and second gear challenge of the bike. So now you guys enjoy that.